Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set profile picture in the Vivino app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on your profile icon, then tap on your tap on settings, and here under profile you have your photo. Tap on this, and here you can change this by either taking a picture of yourself and or selecting a picture from your gallery. You can select whichever you want, and then proceed by giving permission to the app to access these features. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.